Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, as I have already explained you that there are three patterns forming. Okay, and what these patterns are saying that, see, the first pattern is from 2012 to 2020, which I have explained in my monthly video. You can go and check. The second pattern is after pandemic, that is from 2020 to 2022. Okay, and this particular pattern is a 8-month pattern. Okay, and now what is the similarities? That a U pattern is forming, after that there is a fall, a U pattern is forming, after that there is a fall. Okay, and a swing has formed, that is where it goes upside. You can see that is where it goes upside, and these three, first, second and third, these are the similar pattern which has formed. Okay, and there is a upside we have seen after after this swing has formed. Okay, so these are the two highs. After that this particular high has crossed. Okay, this is the high from 2079. Okay, this is also high from 2079, and for the third time these are the resistance which has already got weak, so it went and crossed that particular level and made a high from 2084 or $89. You can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, after that there is a fall. So whenever it is hitting a high, okay, a sharp fall we have seen, and you can see after that a swing has formed, now trading at a level of 1963. Okay, yesterday we have seen that it has fell from around $1982 to a level of 1963, and now it is trading at a level of 1963.45. okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, there is high chances. What we have seen that this particular week we have seen it has already made a half around $1988.58. After that there is a fall has happened yesterday, you can say. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, 1916 is a strong support, so a bounce back we can see from this particular level. Okay, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $1968. Okay, after that if the price sustain above that particular level, it can go towards a level of around $1975. Again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this level 1968, a probability of going above a level of 1975 will be there, because that is already being tested here, and after that we can see a level of 1982. okay, and this level is already being tested here, 1982. so once the price sustain above 1982, a probability of going towards 1988 is there. Okay, and from there we can see it can cross a level of around 1999 and can touch a level of 2000 level. Okay, and a pattern is also forming, so you have to understand it. If it keeps sustaining a level of 1959, chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, now it is trading at a level of $1963.139, and it can go further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, because market is always uncertain, you cannot say that the market will go sharp rise or sharp fall. How it moves, it hold for some time, that is how it goes upside. In the same way it comes down. Okay, so now suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $1949.70. before that we can see a level at around 1956 is a strong support. After this we can see a level of $1949.70, and if that level move further low, then we can see it can touch a level of around 1939. okay, and if the price fall below 1939, you can say that it can go below a level of 1934, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $1923. okay, and once the price fall below $1923, a probability of going towards 1919 is there, and from there we can see it can fall further down towards a level of around 1907 to a level of 1903. okay, and if that level move further low, then yes, we can see a opposite U pattern will form, and a probability of going further down we can see if the price didn't sustain a level of 1934. Keep that in mind. If the price didn't sustain a level of 1934, we can see it can fall further low. Okay, because there is again a U pattern will form, which says that there is a high chances of going further down. Okay, and after crossing a level of 1934 it can go towards 1916 and then further low, and a probability of going below a level of 1900 will also be there if the price didn't sustain 1934. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel subscribe.